Okay guys, this is what I have on my table. I will be using this AZAC Indian Healing Clay Mask, this castor oil, some aloe vera gel. This is just spray for my face. Some vitamin E oil, also some vitamin C. And then yeah, and then also I bought this wax machine off of Amazon, but I'll go ahead and get into all the details in a sec, but I just wanted to show you guys, you know, what I have on my table for my face. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I just wanted to hop on here because I wanted to do, well not wanted, I want to do a skincare routine for you guys. My skin, it hasn't been well actually it has, because it's like I don't get pimples at all, but when I do, I know that it's time for me to like get a facial. So I got like 2 right here on the side of my cheeks. I don't know if you guys can see, let me kind of like zoom in. So I have like 2 on the side of my face. I have like 1 right here. It's just been like bothering me. I just got out the shower. My face is already clean. So now I am going to go ahead and wax because I don't like any peach fuzz on my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wax underneath my chin. I do feel like a tiny bit of peach fuzz, not too much. So I did show you guys my wax machine. I did purchase it off of Amazon. I'll put it in the description box below on which wax machine that I got. It came with the sticks. It also came with like, I think 4 packs of wax. But yes, I feel like a little bit right here. It's not too much. You can't even tell at all, but it's like I can feel it. And like I said, I want my face to be like baby smooth. So yes. So let's hop into it. So right now my wax is actually it's not ready because it's still a little bit hard, so I have to wait until that melts down. My wax is not ready, so I just turned the wax up to 240. That's the highest, and then once it melts a little, I'm gonna turn it down before I put it on my face. I will be using this clay mask for my face. I've had this for like 3 years already. It's lasted me 3 years. So you can use apple cider vinegar, but right now I cannot find my apple cider vinegar. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use water. This will be my first time using this mask with water. Hopefully the water mixture with the clay mask works just as good as the apple cider vinegar. When you use this mask, you are supposed to use a non-metal bowl and also a non-metal utensil. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour how much I think I need on my face. Just not, I don't know if that's a lot. That might be too much, but whatever. That's how much I will be using. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get some water and pour. So I like my mask to be thick, not watery. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush and just mix it all in, baby. This is actually perfect. It wasn't too much water. So this is what it should look like. It should look like clay. Like I said, I don't like my mask to be watery. I like it to be a little bit on the thicker side. So after I get finished all of that, I will be putting some aloe vera gel on my face. But instead of using the plant, guys, you guys know I had a hard time last time applying the aloe vera gel to my hair, the plant kind, because I didn't have a blender and it was like super chunky. I do want to give a shout out to 7 Minerals. They created an aloe vera gel. It's amazing. It works wonderful, especially for someone like me, because number 1, guys, if you don't have time to chop this up and just blend, okay, rather if it's you just putting in your hair, I feel like it's easier to apply on your skin because you can cut the plant. Guys, when I tell you I absolutely love this gel, it's so convenient. So this is 100% natural. It gives silky soft texture to your skin. It's rich in minerals and vitamins, which helps hydrate, nourish, and condition your skin. I've tried it on my skin and I absolutely love it. I would say I could use this as a replacement for a serum. I still like to apply the aloe vera gel to my skin first and then apply my serum, but I'll show you all of that at the end of the video once I get finished on my facial. So they do use the actual plant for the aloe vera gel. And another thing that I love about this too, guys, when I apply it to my skin, okay, number 1, let's talk about the smell of aloe vera gel. I hate the smell of aloe vera gel 100%, and I know I'm not the only one. So one thing that I love about this is that it doesn't stink. It has like this soft baby smell to it, and I absolutely love it. and it's easy to apply on your skin. It's not chunky or anything like that. It's very easy to apply on your skin, but I'll show you all of that, like I said, once I get into it. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I will be using on my skin. Then I'm going to be using the vitamin C oil. You guys know I talk about this vitamin C serum all the time. I will be using this, the vitamin E oil, and then I am going to be using some extra dark Jamaican castor oil for my eyelashes. I do have a spoolie, so I will be applying that on my eyelashes and also my eyebrows. And then I also have this bamboo mist. I also talk about this as well. It's just a finish to my skin once I apply everything. It's kind of like a setting spray for makeup, except for your skin. And it works amazing. So guys, this is what the wax is supposed to look like. It's ready. This wax machine came in handy, guys. I've been quarantined. You know, the nail salons aren't open. You can't get your eyebrows done. You can't get your nails done. So this is such a great investment just to have. I don't like any peach fuzz, guys. None. I probably don't even have anything, which is the sad part. I probably don't even have no hair at the bottom of my chin, but I just want to make sure because I feel it. All right, there we go. I applied that so messy. Okay, we're gonna wait till that dry. Oh yeah, that's so messy. It's kind of hard to do because I don't have a mirror in front of me. I'm just looking on this little screen. It would have been easier if I had like a mirror to look through, but whatever. We're gonna wait until that dries. Hey, listen, you gotta do what you gotta do, okay? Desperate times, desperate measures. Okay, this feels dry, so let's wait like a little bit more. I want to wait till it's like really hard. You just rip. Ow. Ah! Yeah, I felt that. Oh, I felt that. Oh my god. Ah. Okay, am I satisfied? Yes, I am satisfied. Okay, one thing that I also love about this wax machine, like let's say if you want to like wax your little tiny little peach fuzz around like your mustache, and when you wax it, if you have any whiteheads, like tiny invisible whiteheads around your lip, when you wax, it pulls all of that out, and I absolutely love that. So then it just makes the whole part of your face super clean, fresh. Like if you guys don't have a wax machine, I highly suggest you guys invest in one, okay? Closer. It feels different using water. I've never used water with this clay mask before, and it just feels different. You want to apply it to your, you can apply this to your problem area or apply it over your entire face. I apply this on my entire face just so I don't have any problems in the future, okay? Just knock it out, okay? Just apply this all over your face. It's okay if it gets on your eyebrow. I don't have problems with my forehead, so, but we're still gonna apply. And guys, don't forget under your chin too. So I'm going to allow this to stay on my face for about 15 minutes. So you can let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. I have normal skin, so I'm gonna leave on for about 15 to 20 minutes. And plus I want this to really get in my skin. So, hey Siri, set my timer for 20 minutes.
Your timer is set for 20 minutes.
Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes, and then once this is set, I'm gonna come back on the camera and then show you guys what it looks like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off. This also pulsates your skin, so when you do apply the mask, you can feel the mask tightening up on your skin. It's best not to talk once it's dry because then it starts to crack and then it just gets messy. But yeah, this is a really good face mask. I have been using this for 3 years, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after. So I am back. My skin feels so tight, as you can see. Let me kind of like show you guys a close-up of what it looks like. Super hard. I'm about to go ahead and rinse this face mask off because the longer you keep this on, your face starts to become itchy, and I don't like that feeling at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off, and then I'm gonna hop right back on here. So I went ahead and washed it off my face, and then also I bought this little tool off of Amazon. It basically gets all the gunk out of your skin. So you can go ahead and purchase this on Amazon if you guys also want to take the extra step. I love it because then it really makes my face, whatever the mask didn't get, it really makes my skin feel smooth. And then I like to go ahead and apply some witch hazel. I'm going to go ahead and use this aloe vera gel. I'm going to apply this to my face. And guys, if you do use aloe vera gel, this helps with like dark marks and stuff and pigmentation, so and another important thing about this aloe vera gel, guys, you know the coronavirus, the COVID-19 is happening. You can also use this as a hand sanitizer. You can make your own hand sanitizer. Only thing you would need is some alcohol, aloe vera gel, and maybe like some essential oils, like, you know, to make it smell good. Now once I apply the aloe vera gel to my face, I'm going to go in with my vitamin C serum. And guys, this triggers dark spots, uneven skin tone, and if you have any expression lines. Let's go ahead and put some of that on my skin. A facial is not a facial unless you have serum. I think everyone should own at least one serum and incorporate that in your facial routine, because serums are extremely important. I don't see how people skip that step. Then I'm going to go in with some vitamin E moisturizing oil, but I'm not going to use a lot. I'm only going to use just a tiny bit. Last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with this. Try and get the baby hairs to grow back. And then also, like, you know, flex your eyelashes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is what my skin looks like after. I'll go ahead and put the link where you can purchase this aloe vera gel in the description box below. And then also I'll go ahead and put the link to the wax machine if you guys want to check that out. Like I said, it was super affordable. I paid like $20 for that wax machine. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the Saint family, you know, and I'll talk to you guys soon. I love you so much. Bye.